Okay, today we're going to make buffalo burgers. Now, to season the outside of the buffalo burgers, we're going to put a few spices on there. And there's our buffalo. 1 pound of buffalo meat. I got some white pepper, some cumin, granulated onion, granulated garlic. Really do a tablespoon each, a couple of teaspoons of salt. Mix it up. Alright, let's get at our buffalo meat. It's a 1 pound pack, so I'm cutting it into fourths. So it'll be a 1/4 pound burger. Is pat them out, you know, each one individually. When you pat them out like that, it may stick to the cutting board. So, you know, season one side with your seasoning, get underneath with your knife to loosen it up, flip it over, and season the other side. And then this is going to go on our flat top griddle. We're in the restaurant. If you notice. So I got some coconut oil down there, and we're gonna fry them till we get a nice crispy coating on both sides. So I do the other one, flip that over with, well, loosen it up with the knife. Now flip it over. If you try and, you know, if you pat them out and you try and turn them over with your hands, you may rip them apart. So sliding that knife underneath will loosen it up for you without damaging the meat. So very minimally processed meat. You know, this coating that we're putting on it's gonna, you know, char up nicely with the meat on the griddle, and it's an excellent flavor. After we ate them, I fed my staff with these too, and they were pretty darn good. No gaminess to the buffalo meat at all. Getting down to the bottom of the spices. That's a big one, so that'll be mine. Okay, last one on the grill. Clean up. All right, so they've been on the grill for a couple of minutes. We're gonna flip them over. You can see we got a nice little char. You know, you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to burn. Of course, you don't want to burn any food. But that looks great. Here's my oopsie rolls. I keep them stashed in the fridge. These are just for me. I'm really the only low-carb eater in the restaurant. So even my wife doesn't. Well, she'll eat a oopsie roll every now and then. So there's the finished product. Their garden tomato, and I am really enjoying it. It's nice to pick up a burger.